Quickly identify the size and pitch of any fastener with this 4-in-1 universal thread gauge set, designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand accuracy and convenience. Covering metric threads from 2.5 to 22 mm with pitches ranging from 0.45 to 2.5 mm. US threads from number 5 to 3/4 inch with 10 to 44 TPI. Pipe threads from 1/16 inch to 1/2 inch with 14 to 27 TPI. And spark plug threads from 10 to 18 mm. This set allows you to measure and verify bolts, fittings, pipes, and spark plugs in both US and metric systems. Crafted from durable aluminum, each gauge provides precise markings for reliable identification, helping you save time and avoid errors during assembly or maintenance. The 4 individual gauges are engineered to fit easily in your toolbox or workbench, making them highly portable and convenient for on-the-go jobs. Whether you are working on automotive repairs, machinery, or custom projects, this gauge set ensures you always select the correct fastener or replacement part. Its clear, laser-etched markings allow for quick and accurate measurements, reducing guesswork and ensuring your work meets professional standards. Even in demanding shop environments, the aluminum construction maintains its integrity while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Users consistently praise this thread gauge set for its versatility and precision, noting that it makes identifying thread sizes and pitches effortless. Many have found it indispensable for automotive and mechanical work, highlighting that the gauges handle repeated use without wear. While aluminum construction is lightweight and convenient, it is still robust enough for regular usage, giving a balance of portability and durability that meets the needs of hobbyists and professionals alike. Owners appreciate that it makes fast work of confirming thread specifications for bolts, fittings, pipes, and spark plugs, ensuring projects move smoothly and efficiently. This 4-in-1 universal thread gauge set is ideal for anyone needing a reliable, compact, and precise tool to quickly identify both US and metric threads in a variety of applications. Its combination of versatility, accuracy, and durability makes it a must-have in any workshop or garage. Click the link in the video description to check current pricing and availability, and subscribe to the channel for more essential tools and high-quality measurement solutions.